Driving on a straight road requires extra vigilance, because you are prone to drowsiness, so you need supplement drinks in a fit body condition to drive long distances like this. Don't forget to check the condition of your vehicle: tires, turn signal lights, horn, headlights, radiator water, oil and others. Make sure everything is safe and working normally. If you feel tired, find a place to rest for a while. Just buy a drink, snack or just wash your face and stretch stiff muscles. In addition, so that the engine and car tires become cold again. When driving, never play with your cell phone. Just ignore it if there is an incoming call while you are concentrating on driving. If you wish to receive a phone call, please pull over to the side of the road. Obey the rules of driving on the highway. Max speed 100 km/h. Stay in the right lane. Don't drive drunk. Don't drive zigzag. Using the help of Google Maps is the right choice, in addition to helping show the direction where you are walking. Google Maps also helps you avoid going the wrong way and getting lost. Be careful when driving on a straight road and the sun is very hot, because it often happens like there is a raindrop in front of your vehicle, which can break your concentration. Pay attention to the speed of your vehicle. Do not exceed the speed limit recommended by the traffic police. Immediately reduce the speed if the speedometer shows your speed is above 100 km/h. Once again, pay attention to Google Maps so as not to go the wrong way. Thank you. Happy driving.